बहुत साल से इधर ही है। मगर इधर इतना सेंट्रल सिटी में है, लोकेशन अच्छा है, आदमी लोग अच्छा लोग आता है, अच्छा बात करते हैं, गुड क्राउड, पीपल्स, हाई-फाई पीपल्स कमिंग, बड़ा-बड़ा लोग आता है, बहुत अच्छा जगह, सेंट्रल प्लेस एयरलाइंस होटल।
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, they say, but usually when I wake up, it's time for almost lunch. So today I decided to wake up early and check out the breakfast scenes here in Bangalore. And for the first place in this series, I've come to Airlines Hotel. Now I have heard so much about this place and I've watched a lot of videos as well to know that this place is really good. Now yes, the reviews online are mixed and some people say that it's not that good, but I am not going to trust that. I'm going to trust myself, and that is why I decided to come here myself and check out this place. Very excited. This place is covered in greenery and that I feel is the best part. So quickly let's go in. But before we go in, welcome to What's Up Tanuka. Welcome to a new video. If you are new to What's Up Tanuka, don't forget to subscribe. I have seen 90% of people watching my videos do not subscribe, and for a small channel like me, I would really need you guys to subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. So yes, please subscribe to What's Up Tanuka, and now let's get into the video. So just as we enter, we have this 100 years old banyan tree, and this is actually the highlight of this place. This is the highlight of this place, and just as you go straight from here, you go straight, and this is the entrance of the Airlines Hotel. Guys, having breakfast amidst nature, amidst so much greenery, I think that is the highlight of this place. There's just you feel very calm, and we have got our welcome drink. Let me show you. Our welcome drink is here. This is a jeera water, which is very good for your stomach, and this is a little warm as well. So this is actually you should have this empty stomach every day. This is very good for your digestive system, and that is what we have got. And we have also placed our order, so we are just waiting for our order to come. This place is so quiet and calm, and this is the perfect place to have breakfast because literally I cannot tell you, there are many people here. It's not like they don't have people here, but it's very calm. Even if people are talking, they're talking very slowly. So this is a very new experience for me, and yes, I'm just loving it right now. This is my order today. So we have here Mangalore bun. This is the paper masala dosa, a huge paper masala dosa. We have some kesari bath here for sweet, and then we have coffee. So guys, I'm very excited about this Mangalore bun because this is the first time I'm having it. And before coming to this place, I kind of researched about it a little bit. This is very soft and this is fluffy. So let me show you inside. It does not have any masalas or anything inside. There is no filling inside. This is a sweet bread that is made of mashed bananas, flour, sugar, and a hint of cumin as well. So let me try this. This is my first time trying this. So I'm not going to try it with the chutneys. First, just taste. This is so good. The sweetness is very mild. It's not overpowering at all. So this gives this a very good taste, and this is very soft, as I said, soft and flaky. Really flavorful. Now I'm a little scared of dipping this in this chutneys because I feel like that is going to lose the taste, the actual taste of this bun, because without this chutneys, this just tastes so good. Thumbs up from me. First time trying this and it gets a thumbs up. So this is the tall glass that we have got coffee in. I'm just stirring it a little bit so that the sugar at the bottom, I can mix that good. I know that we have the paper masala dosa as well, but I just wanted to give this coffee a try because this came in a tall glass, which I'm really very interested by, because usually when we have filtered coffee here in Bangalore, it comes in this small cups or steel cups, but here it's in a tall glass. So yeah, very excited. This is very strong, just the way I like it. It has a good amount of sugar as well. Not too overpowering, I wouldn't say, but this coffee is very strong. Just what you need to have at breakfast to kind of open all your senses. Now that I'm all charged up by having this lovely coffee, we move on to this long paper masala dosa. Now the reason that this is called paper masala dosa is because this is thin and very crisp, and that is why it's called paper masala dosa. And we have also got some coconut chutney and sambar. So sambar, I'm very happy that they gave sambar, because usually in most restaurants they do not have sambar anymore with dosa. So I'm very happy that we have got some sambar, because I love sambar. And yeah, this is the full plate. Now let me quickly show you the masala inside and let's dig in. Guys, watch me struggle while I try to flip this dosa and show you the masala inside. Okay, this is the masala that we have inside. There's a lot of masala actually. If you can see, there's a lot of masala. So I'm just going to take a bite of this without the masala or anything, and I'm going to dip this in this coconut chutney, in this sambar, and we are going to have it now. This is so good. Now when I was doing the best coffee in Bangalore as well as the best dosa in Bangalore video, I asked for suggestions and many of them suggested this place, but I never got a chance to come here, and this is my first time here, and I just wish I had come here earlier because the food here is really good. The Bangalore bun is so flavorful, the coffee here very good, and now the paper masala dosa, oh my god, it's just so good. Now guys, I'm going to have the dosa with this masala that we have. Thumbs up. Very good. Down to the last dish here at Airlines Hotel. This is Kesari Bath. Now if you don't know what Kesari Bath is, this is made of semolina or shuji, and this is a lot like the Mishti Shuji that we have in Kolkata, that we have very often at my house. When I go to Kolkata, mom makes it very often, and we have it with luchi or puri as you call it. So first bite here. Oh, really good. I just knew that I needed something sweet to end this journey, and this is the perfect one. Now we do have some kishmish and some kaju. Like the kaju is finely chopped and mixed in this, and we have the raisins as well, or kishmish, and I'm getting a flavor of the ghee as well. It's not, I don't think they have put too much ghee because it's not overpowering, and the sweetness is also very good. It's a little mild, it's not too sweet, and that is why I think this is a very good dish. It kind of melts in your mouth, and that is the best feeling, right? Sir has been here for how many years?
35?
35 years, long time here.
बहुत साल से इधर ही है। मगर इधर इतना सेंट्रल सिटी में है, लोकेशन अच्छा है, आदमी लोग अच्छा लोग आता है, अच्छा बात करते हैं, गुड क्राउड, पीपल्स, हाई-फाई पीपल्स कमिंग, बड़ा लोग आता है, बहुत अच्छा जगह, सेंट्रल प्लेस रिलायंस होटल।
Thank you sir. Finally I'm done having all the food, and my tummy is full and my heart is happy, and I'm really glad that I finally came to this place, because otherwise I wouldn't have known a place like this existed where we can have some good food, good breakfast. And this is not only open at breakfast, let me tell you. You can come here anytime. This is open till pretty late at night, so yes, you can come here anytime, and I'm really glad that I got a chance to have the food here, because this was really good, and I really enjoyed myself as well, as I said. So yes, I'm going to end this video here today. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to What's Up Tanuka, and also let me know in the comments what are the other places that I can try here in Bangalore that are not as popular but are really good. I would love to go to those places. And also another thing that I've learned over the years is never trust the reviews, because the reviews of this place was really mixed and going towards the negative side. But I thought, I'm not going to trust the reviews completely, and I'm going to try this myself, and my experience here was really good. Yes, the service is a little slow, but I am not complaining because the food here was delicious, and that is what I came for. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.